What's up, guys? It's Ezzy of Dinos coming at you. Today, we're going to be unboxing the Godzilla X Kong, the new Empire Giant Godzilla Evolved. Let's get into it. And here we have it, the new Giant Godzilla Evolved. You can see the spikes, the pink spikes on its back, down all the way to its tail, and you see the tail spikes right there. You can also see the spikes on its arms. And one thing about this Godzilla that's cool is that it has an open jaw, so you can open and close its mouth. And so I wanted to compare this Godzilla to the blue Godzilla from Godzilla versus Kong. And then I want to compare it to this black Godzilla from Godzilla King of the Monsters. So you can see that both of these Godzillas are way more bigger. This one is is skinnier and more leaner, and these ones, their mouth doesn't close, and they're also not as movable as this one. Never mind, this one's way more movable. But the thing is, like, we can open its mouth, which is cool. And so I have all three of these Godzillas.